guys, welcome back. It's my birthday. Well, it's not my birthday the day that I'm filming this. It's actually like a whole month before my birthday the day I'm filming this. But when you're watching this, it will be my birthday. So it is my 30th birthday. I am now a whole 30 years old, guys. I'm done with my 20s. But today's video is actually gonna be me unboxing my birthday bag. I did one of these videos last year for my 29th birthday, so I'll link that video right up here when I unboxed my blue boy bag back there. But this is also extremely exciting, and I feel like if you guys have been watching any of my recent videos, you know exactly what this is, because there's only one bag. There is one bag that I've been talking about over and over and over and over again, and this is it. And I got one, and it's the perfect one, and I think you guys are gonna be you're gonna be happy. You're gonna be excited. I feel it. I hope so, at least. So if you guys wanna know what I got myself for my I'm 30. Damn. So if you guys want to know what I got myself for my 30th birthday, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say if you're not already subscribed. And yourself, I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like birthdays, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be. So just subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a real outfit of the day. Some randomness on stories. It's a lot of stuff. We post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing. If I look familiar at all, by the way, it's because I just filmed a Juste un Clou bracelet review, so I'll link that right up here. But obviously these videos are going live like a whole month apart, so I figure it's okay. You guys know where this is from. You know, if you're my kind of people, then you know. This may be my last bag unboxing for the entire year. So let's just take that in for a minute. You guys see how small this box is, by the way? Honestly, I feel like the size of the box gives it away. Like, look how small this is. Look how small this is. You know exactly what this is, guys. I know you know what this is. Before I show you what this is, I would love for you to comment what you think it is. Like, what do you think I got myself for my birthday? What color do you think it is? Like, what brand? What do you think is in this little ass box from Fashion File, okay? Are you shocked? This is from the box. Are you shocked? You shouldn't be. You really shouldn't be, and I can't believe this is here right now. Take a second, finish typing the guess. What color, what size, what bag, whatever. What do you think it is? And now, introducing my new, oh my God, I'm touching it. Oh my God, you guys, look at it, look at it, look at it. So this is obviously the Chanel wallet on chain, and this is in like a beautiful burgundy color with silver hardware in caviar leather. Caviar for me and a wallet on chain was kind of the easy choice, just because it's a wallet on chain. Like, this is meant to kind of not be thrown around, but a little bit, yeah, it's a little bit gonna be thrown around. I'm gonna open it up. Is this the one that has the magnet? It does have a magnet. I had no idea really either way, and I'm very excited about it. But wait, there's more. Here is the chain, which is long as hell. As we all know, wallet on chains are always just stupid long for absolutely no reason. But I bought something to remedy that. Yes, before I even bought the bag. Actually, I bought something else for it too, so let me show you. Let me show you real quick. Let me go get it. I'm trying to take off my mic, obviously, if you heard that. Okay, so I bought both of these things from Amazon. I will link them both in the description box. But I bought these both literally before I even bought this bag. I manifested the fact that I was gonna get a wallet on chain. I don't have any wallet on chains right now. And I found this burgundy one on Fashion File. And you guys know, burgundy is pretty much the only color that I would want in a bag that I didn't have. And now I do. I will say, I didn't realize that it was the version that the chain actually like moves. I don't know if you can see that. The chain moves like inside this thing, but it's really not like the end of the world to me. You've got your little zip pocket up here, which I plan fully to never use. So let's just zip that closed. Oh, there's a sticker there. Look at that. The interior of this bag looks immaculate. Like, was this ever even used? And I think this was listed as just like excellent condition. I would say this is like perfect, like unused. Like, even the back pocket like is still nice and tight, you know? So this is the first thing that I bought. This I was like adamant that I was gonna buy.
Oh, my camera's gonna die. Ain't that great?
I was adamant that I was gonna buy this. So this is a base shaper. Let me show you what it looks like first without the base shaper. Okay, this is her chillin', hanging out. So now I've just put, you probably can't even see it. It literally looks like it's just the bottom of the bag. It looks so good. But now I put that in, and now I'm gonna close it up. And look at that now. Look at the difference there. What? Cut it out. That's a game changer. So I am fully expecting or planning to keep that there just like all the time. And this is not gonna like damage the bag or anything. Like, this is what you're supposed to do with your wallet on chain. Like, you're just supposed to put your crap in it. And I feel like it's gonna be so much easier now that I have so much room because of the base shaper. The second thing that I bought also from Amazon was this. Now this is a chain shortener because I know that the wallet on chain chains are extremely long. So I have actually 4 in here. I didn't even realize that it came with 4, but there are 2 gold ones and 2 silver ones. My hardware is silver, so I just pulled out the silver one. Do I know how to work this? I absolutely don't, but I figure that we're gonna find out together. So it comes with a little screwdriver. I'm assuming, what do we unscrew? Something, right? Something gets unscrewed and then rescrewed. So I unscrewed and it basically just became loose. Like this piece is no longer like stuck together. So this is what it looks like with the regular chain length. To me, this is low because like this is my hip. I know a lot of people actually like double the chain up in here. They kind of do it this way, I think, and then wear it like that. This length is really not horrible. So if you didn't want to get the chain shortener, listen, it's not bad. It's really not bad. I'm gonna take each side of the chain on the inside. That's what I'm saying. And kind of gather it on the inside of the bag.
Drop the screwdriver. Very important step.
I just took each end of the strap and I placed the shortener just at some length that I thought might be okay. Obviously, I've never used this before, so we have to see if I like this length or not. So I'm tightening it. Hopefully you guys can see this. This is what it looks like on the inside. Hopefully this is a okay length. I think this actually is pretty much almost identical to the length that it was just at when I did it the other way. So this is my new wallet on chain. Let me actually compare it to my red mini. You can clearly see there's a difference there. Like, yeah, that's different. This is like a really bright red. This is like a deep wine red. Oh, it's so pretty though. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. I just felt like this was the perfect color for my wallet on chain. I didn't want a black one. Like, I have a black classic flap. I'm good. And I've been looking for a burgundy bag, you guys know, for the longest time. So this just felt like it was it. And I forgot to mention that it actually was under retail right now, which the retail price for a wallet on chain right now is insane. It's insane. It's absolutely ridiculous. But look at it. I think it's worth it because honestly, to me, this is like a bag. This is a bag. Look at how much space there is. Like, I can fit so much stuff in there. There are 6 pockets on the inside, by the way. I forgot to show that to you. There we are. And then obviously you have this really big pocket here and this pocket that is a zip pocket and this zip pocket that I'm never gonna use. I've been recently obsessed with the wallet on chain. I feel like everybody on Instagram is styling theirs so nicely. And I just like really wanted to have one of my own, and getting the color that I've been wanting pretty much this entire year. Like, it's just like, it's perfect to me. It's perfect. So tell me what you guys think about this bag. Do you like the wallet on chain? Are you a fan? I know not everybody is. I definitely wasn't until like the other day. So let me know what you think. What do you think of the color? Is this a good like 30th birthday gift? It should be like a Birkin or a Kelly, let's be honest, but that's all right. That's what 31 is for.
Or like I like to call it, 30, the sequel.
Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, but that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm telling you, there is a fly in here, or a bee, or some shit. Hello?